But first, new evidence in the case against Ryan Greenberg. Prosecutors are fighting to have the 17-year-old tried as an adult on murder charges. Today, for the first time, 911 calls from the night of the deadly boating crash were played in court. Eyewitness News reporter Walt Buteau has our top local story at 10.
In the moments before the tragedy, a witness who saw the collision from nearby Riverside Drive says she heard someone on the boat and someone in the water swearing at each other. Patrick Murphy was in the water.
Reckless operation, death resulting.
Ryan Greenberg, seen here in court when the system considered him an adult, was at the controls of the boat. The witness went on to say, quote, "It looked like he intended to sideswipe him." But she says that isn't what happened. The back end of the boat went right over that child. The caller is then heard breaking down.
He's got nothing to say.
Greenberg, whose attorneys include former House Speaker John Harwood and former Governor Phil Noel, failed a field sobriety test after he was arrested. Murphy's body was found the next day.
We have objected to the hearsay type evidence.
The defense team argues that while the tragedy potentially involved negligence, it is not second-degree murder and should remain in family court.
The second-degree murder charge only had 14 grand jurors agree to it, whereas the other charges had 20, which is a significant signal to anybody in this business that obviously some grand jurors had real issues with the second-degree charge to begin with.
Prosecutors also played Greenberg's call to 911. He's heard saying, quote, "We are in the Barrington River. My friend was kneeboarding, and he's not coming up."
That was Walt Buteau reporting. Eyewitness News will have continuing coverage of the Ryan Greenberg hearing tomorrow. Look for new developments on Eyewitness News at noon on WPRI 12 and streaming live online at WPRI.com. Developing